We've known, I guess, as an industry that we need to improve our ability to predict the consequences of brakes. Unfortunately, as pipes get older, they tend to break.
A week ago, Naomi Brock woke up in the middle of the night to a torrent of water flooding her home.
It's a week since a wall of water from a burst main ripped through Naomi's Ellamore Vale property. Hunter Water's clean-up is ongoing. The focus now, ensuring nothing like this happens again.
What we did was we talked to a couple of technology partners about what they could do to look at all of our system and work out what are the locations that are most at risk. And what they've done in those cases is come back with an option to simulate breaks on a grand scale and look at all of our trunk infrastructure and work out, if it were to break, where that water would go.
So what we looked at was going to theoretically put out a large enough flow to cause some overland flooding issues. From their previous flooding events, they had noticed that whether a break happens at one location or 5 metres away made a difference. So they wanted to assess breaks on over 300 kilometres of their mains every 5 metres, which meant that we had to create 57,000 flood models.
The scale of the data management is quite impressive. So the innovation comes from being able to manage that data and actually produce something that's functional. So not just the processing of the raw aerial imagery to simulate where it would go, but also just to process the outputs so that we have that information. All that needs to be stored in an effective way and also have those bits of information coming back that are meaningful. In the past, we've just waited for events to happen and then reacted to it. This gives us the opportunity to understand which locations are the most critical, and it gives us understanding in a way that we haven't been able to in the past. So we'll be able to invest more effectively in the infrastructure to ensure that some of the big events that we've had in this region don't happen again.